No, but it's a cat.
It's a cat.
It's not a child. It's not a baby. It's a cat.
Wait, yeah.
She's breastfeeding a cat on the plane.
I mean, he seems to think it's a cat.
A cat.
Baby.
Yeah, that's our baby.
No, it's I saw it before. It's a cat.
Sir, can you put your
It's
mask
like
on?
she's breastfeeding. She's breastfeeding a cat.
Obviously not
So-
breastfeeding a cat on a plane.
We
Yeah.
welcomed her on the plane.
No,
She had the
it's
blanket,
fine.
and we saw the baby. It was like covered.
Did
it was
you see
sleeping.
the baby?
No, we
think
didn't
it-
see it, but it was
Because it's a
sleeping.
cat under
The
there.
baby was sleeping, right? When she walked in.
It's a cat.
Do you have a cat?
No, I do not own a cat. Let alone
She's
have one right
breastfeeding a
now.
cat. It's
When you
disgusting.
Did you?
If it's a baby, I wouldn't say anything. That's totally fine. But it's a cat. It's nuts.
Yeah.
Take a picture, it'll last longer. Than me.
No, I thought I saw a cat too.
You saw a cat?
No, there is
Yeah,
no
I
such
did.
thing.
I
Right
did.
now,
I
are you
saw-
feeling stuffy?
No,
there
it's
is no
a
cat.
weird thing to do, and it makes me
I saw a
super
cat under that
uncomfortable.
blanket.
This man's allergic.